People are going to be anxious about how Cardiff will cope with the coming crisis. As leader of the council, I wanted to reassure you that the council is gearing up to meet the challenge head on. That will mean deprioritising certain council activity, but it's to free up resources to be able to still deliver essential public services that people rely on. Services like social care for the elderly and most vulnerable, still doing waste collections and cleansing in our communities, outreach teams still going out to look after the homeless, signposting and support for businesses as they try and survive this crisis. It's a long list. Now, people are going to be worried and unsettled about what's happening. We've asked officers to suspend eviction of council tenants based on rent arrears for at least the next 3 months to take that worry off people's shoulders. And I know some of you will also be anxious about council tax bills. If you're struggling to pay, we will try and be sympathetic. But please also understand that council tax is a huge part of council revenues, and we are dealing with mounting and unexpected bills as a result of this crisis. So I'm calling for a UK government response, putting in place a national solution to help those struggling to pay their council tax bills. It's a dynamic, fast-changing situation, changing from day to day. We now know that all schools will be closed after tomorrow. Well, in response to that, by Monday, children in Cardiff in receipt of free school meals will still be able to get a lunch on an ongoing daily basis. We're bolstering the youth service so there'll be distraction activities for young people in our communities, and we're looking to put in place childcare provision for the children of key workers. These are huge challenges that we must meet, and we will meet them best when we meet them together. So many of you are already eager to volunteer your services, and so we're going to take the existing council volunteering portal and use it as a brokering service, matching up people who need help with people offering help. Details on that will be coming out imminently. We're going to get through this, and we're going to do an awful lot of good together as we do so. So let's stay strong, let's stay united, and please, let's look out for each other. Thank you.